Hello everyone, and welcome to another edition of Talking Bullion. Today we're going to open up a box I just received in the mail, priority mail, from Monument Metals, which I enjoy buying from. Really, one of the things I like about them, besides their pricing, is the fact that they allow eChecks. And that's just so much more convenient than having to mail a check to them. So anyway, let's get to it. Let's get this thing opened. Package out, put this over here, and then of course we gotta cut it again, which is well packaged, good and safe. See what we have here. Cut into the second package, which is okay. So let's take this out of there. This out of there, and this out of here. Alright, so let's take a look at what we have. So this is an order of junk silver, as they refer to it. I call it constitutional silver. But you can see here that we've got some quarters. You see, sorry, I keep moving it off the camera. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 12 quarters, so $3 worth. Let's get a little bit of close-up. About what you expect. Just dirty and being circulated, and looks good though, so $3 there. Then we also have, for the Franklins, right here. And there's random years, I'm sure. So this one... 51, 63, 61, 52. So that's nice. That's part of the deal as well. And so that's, and we also received some dimes and some quarters. So these were put in on separate orders. So the quarters I ordered just as an order, one separate order itself. They sent them at the same time. It was free shipping, so that's alright. If they want to save some money in shipping, they're welcome to do that. And then if we open this up, come on off of there, we can see here, got a whole tube of constitutional quarters. Look at those. Very, very nice. Love it. Love this stuff. It's going to go into some of those boxes that I showed you earlier. So ordered a tube of quarters as well. Didn't have many quarters. Got plenty of dimes, but no quarters. Let's put that back in here. And put it over here with the rest of it. And here are some dimes. Take a look at this, see what's in here. Pull it off. And we have a tube of dimes. I believe the quarters there's 40 of them, and on the dimes there's 50 of them. So we got those as well. So that's pretty cool. And wow, nice. Got some nice constitutional silver in this package today, huh? Hope you guys are liking that, because I sure am. This is really cool stuff. Move it up a little bit here. And then let's see what's in here. I ordered one other item. Now, I've never really been, I don't know, a big fan of the premium bullion. But they had this for a good price. It's the, I believe it's the 2018 Panda. Yep, the 2018 Panda. And yeah, I figured why not. I've got a lot of generic bullion, so why not go with the little bit of this premium type stuff. Wow, this is just a beautiful coin. Love the texture on there. And I think the back always stays the same, the reverse. But I was able to recently get some other Pandas, so I wanted to, you know, just try to fill that gap a little bit. So here's the 2018 I just got. Over here I have the 2015, which I just got for a good price. And then here I have the 2016. They're really cool looking. So I just need to get the 2017 to fill that little bit of a gap there. And as we can see, these are 30 grams instead of 31.1 that we're used to, but they're all the same. All the pandas, I believe, are 30. So anyway, that concludes the unboxing for Monument Metals, and what a great unboxing it was. I'll tell you, this is absolutely fantastic. So I hope you enjoyed the video. If you do, please give me a thumbs up and feel free to share it with your friends and family. And if you haven't subscribed, please do so. Thank you, and let's keep talking bullion.